अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे हबीब जालिब राइटर्स जुल्मत को ज़िया ऐसे दस्तूर को मैं नहीं मानता। हबीब जालिब was a poet, journalist and political activist. He was born in 24 March 1928 and he was died on March 12, 1993. After the partition of India in 1947, he moved to Pakistan where he became one of the most influential poet and journalist. Despite facing personal hardship and the lack of education, Jalib became a powerful voice of the oppressed through his poetry, which spoke directly to the hearts of ordinary men. His work was famous due to open criticism on injustice, inequalities, especially during the time of political violence in Pakistan. Jalib uses simple and straightforward language, making his poetry readable for everyone. He do focused on the struggle of common man, the poor and the marginalized, using his poetry to challenge oppressive system. ठीक है, जो कि मार्जिनलाइज पीपल थे, जो कि अप्रेस्ड पीपल थे, गरीब लोग थे, उनके बारे में इनकी पोइट्री जो है आवाज़ उठाती है और उनके बारे में बोलती है। ठीक है, जुल्मत को ज़िया, डार्कनेस इन लाइट। जुल्मत को ज़िया बिकम अ सिंबल ऑफ ओपोजिशन टू द मिलिट्री गवर्नमेंट। अच्छा है, या इस पोइम में इन्होंने जो कि गवर्नमेंट के फौजी हैं, आर्मी पे क्रिटिसाइज़ किया है। द पोम शोज जालिब्स ब्रेवरी एंड हिज रिफ्यूजल टू स्टे साइलेंट इन द फेस ऑफ इनजस्टिस। ठीक है, which made him a hero among the people struggling for freedom and truth. Jalib wanted to show that the government pretend that everything is fine, but in reality people are suffering under oppression. Themes. Major themes in this poem are as follows. The first one is deception of the ruling class. In this poem, Habib Jalib critically criticized the government, particularly under General Ziaul Haq government. He shows how the power present lies on truth, pretending that everything is fine, but in reality people are in suffering. The government claims that darkness is light and oppression is justice. Oppression is justice to maintain power. This theme shows the harmful effect of deception. When falsehood promoted as truth, people become lazy and accept the pain एज नॉर्मल। जैसे कि अब आप लोग देख सकते हैं नवाज शरीफ की गवर्नमेंट जो कि आ चुकी है, तो ये एग्जाम्पल इसमें बड़ा फिट करती है। जब झूठ जो है सच बन के उभरने लगे तो पीपल बहुत ज़्यादा सुस्त हो जाते हैं और आस्ते आस्ते उसी झूठ को सच तस्वर कर लेते हैं, मान लेते हैं। थ्रू द पोइट्री जालिब इनकरेज द पब्लिक टू क्वेश्चन अथॉरिटी. This theme shows the idea that truth is essential for fighting injustice. It encourages people to be aware of how their leaders manipulate language and reality to maintain their power. Criticism on authority. Habib Jalib criticized military dictatorship, particularly in the government of General Ziaul Haq. He criticized how government like these control everything, representing anyone who tries to tell the truth. His poetry takes a strong stand against dictator and suppress their freedom and manipulate the truth to serve their own interest. He also tried to expose the government lies and encourage others to see through their deception. To conclude, it shows how leadership power mislead people by calling darkness light and oppression justice. Jalib uses style to expose these lies of government and argues that people should see the truth behind the false promises of the rulers. Best poetry by Habib Jalib. The another poem of Habib Jalib is ऐसे दस्तूर को मैं नहीं मानता. This poetry became an anthem for those opposing injustice and authority. He encouraged generation of activist laborers and ordinary people to expose oppression system and fight for a better future. This poem shows Jalib protest against inequalities, slavery, and the oppression of the poor. Main theme in this poem are as follows: rejection of inequality system. In this poem, Habib Jalib refused to accept the political system. अच्छा, इसमें इस पोम में उन्होंने कहा है कि अमीर के लिए अलग यहाँ पे सिस्टम बनाया जाता है और गरीब के लिए अलग। अमीर को माफ़ भी कर दिया जाता है, अमीर चाहे खून क्यों ना कर ले, गरीब को माफ़ नहीं किया जाता, उसे फांसी तक पहुंचाया जाता है। तो उसके बारे में क्रिटिसिज्म है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, ऐसे दसूर को मैं नहीं मानता. इन दिस पोम हबीब जालिब रिफ्यूज टू एक्सेप्ट द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम दैट ओनली बेनिफिट्स द रिच एंड पावरफुल and oppressing the poor. He speaks about against inequality, slavery, and justice, encourage people to fight the system that only benefits the elite class. He just wanted a fair society where everyone is treated equally. His poetry encouraged people not to remain silent in the face of slavery, exploitation. His words in the poetry encourage people, suggesting that even one person refused can ultimately lead to change. Hope for change. The whole poetry do criticism in the current political system. It also exposes hope for a better future. Habib Jalib's rejection of the lightning dawn symbolized his refusal to accept the false promises of the progress which is made by the ruling class. He believed in a change, encouraged people to stand up for their rights and demand justice. To conclude, Habib Jalib rejects an unfair system that benefits only the power while oppressing the poor. He refused to accept injustice and call for change and equality for everyone. सो आई एम डन दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और कमेंट लाजमी कीजिएगा। सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। सी यू सून। अल्लाह हाफिज़।